What is good, YouTube? Here with another unboxing video. Just got this bad boy today, and if you haven't read the title already and you just pressed because of the thumbnail, well, this is the new Oculus Quest 2, and let's unbox this bad boy and see what is inside. Alright, I think we got it. What is good, by the way, folks? Basically, I just got home from vacation, and I couldn't wait to get home and just get this. Here we have it. Woo! Oh, it's very, very bright. Hey, let's pose for the thumbnail. Alright, now we got the thumbnail ready. We can actually just try to unbox this Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook. Okay, you can peel on the sides, and then basically you will tear this plastic around the Oculus apart. And let me know down in the comments if you are even getting an Oculus Quest or any of the Oculus Quest series. Not Quest series, but Oculus series. But this is actually from Facebook. And what surprised me most was that the Oculus Quest 2 is like what, 120 bucks cheaper than the original Oculus Quest. And this even has a much more higher resolution. Come on. Oh, by the way, this is the 64 gigs that I purchased. Oh, look at the games that you can actually play. Just for an example, you know what? Let me turn off my ring light. Maybe you have a better chance to see what's on here. So there's something like Jurassic Park, Beat Saber. Beat Saber is the first game that I'm gonna purchase. I'm gonna purchase Walking Dead as well. Walking Dead just came out. Okay, we've got the Oculus logo. How does it look like? Alright, you've got the two controllers, and you've got the Oculus right here, and you've got like this extra. Let me see, let's just pick it up. So here you have the Oculus Quest 2, and inside this one, so for those wearing glasses, you can attach this one onto the Oculus. And I use glasses, for instance, but that's mostly when I'm out and drive, or whenever I go to the movies or watch TV. So here you have your left controller and your right. That's basically it, and then you got like this box. I could imagine that this is like the wires so you can charge it. Let's see what's in the box. A lot of Oculus logo in here. So you got the manual on how to set it up. Yep. And here, yes. Here you get the adapter and wire so you can charge your Oculus. Now, as it says clearly in the title, I'm only unboxing this. I am not gonna do a review yet, because again, I just got home and I need to charge this first and foremost, and then I'm gonna do a separate video where like the Oculus Quest 2 after a week or something like that. I'm gonna try this out for a couple of days, and then I'm gonna like do my review on it, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And I know that this is mostly a PlayStation channel. That's what I mostly cover. And but this was simply a toy that I just couldn't say no to. I just had to try it out. Yeah, I'm gonna compare this with the PlayStation VR because that's what I have. But what I find the PSVR very, very annoying is with all the wires, and basically have to plug it in and plug it out whenever I'm not using it or using it. and this is simply wireless. So I look forward to play Beat Saber. I look forward to play Walking Dead. Like, I look so much forward to play VR now that everything is wireless. But here I have my PSVR cam right underneath this camera, so I basically just I'm sitting here doing all the, you know, Beat Saber and stuff. So maybe I'm gonna sell this PSVR, I don't know, but I'm looking forward to try this one out, and then I will see you again in the next video. I'm gonna compare this one to the PSVR because that's the only thing I can compare to, since I mostly only played VR through PlayStation. So until then, I'll see you again next time. I will be streaming this on my Twitch. The link is in the description box down below, so I hope to see you guys on Twitch, and peace out!